Are you tired of sky-high energy bills every summer? Here are the 5 best smart thermostats I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. First up is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, priced at $139.99. What caught my eye is its Energy Star certification and compatibility with leading smart home systems like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. If you want a thermostat that not only keeps your home comfortable but also saves you money, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ecobee Smart Thermostat can save you up to 23% on heating and cooling costs by automatically adjusting to your set schedule. Imagine not having to pay for AC when you're out running errands. It even features auto-away mode, which detects when you leave and adjusts the temperature accordingly, so you're never cooling an empty house. With over 5,000 units sold just last month, it's clear people trust this product. Now some folks have mentioned that the app can be a bit clunky. Here's the thing though, once you set it up, you're not going to be constantly fiddling with it. So if you're more interested in overall energy savings than app design, this slight flaw isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an energy-efficient solution that works seamlessly with your smart home. Skip this one if you need a thermostat with a more advanced touchscreen display. For the price, you're getting a lot of value for your money. Now, if the ecobee Smart Thermostats app frustrations bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sensi Smart Thermostat ST55. Next, we have the Sensi Smart Thermostat ST55 from Emerson, retailing at $94.99. I was drawn in by its easy install process and focus on data privacy. If you want a straightforward thermostat that doesn't compromise your privacy, this is worth a serious look. This thermostat can help you save about 23% on your HVAC energy costs too. With features like flexible scheduling and remote access through its mobile app, you can adjust your home's temperature from anywhere. It also monitors your HVAC system's performance, sending alerts about maintenance needs. It's designed to save you money while keeping you comfortable, and with over 3,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users noted that it lacks the advanced features of pricier models. But here's the thing, if you're after simplicity and reliability without the bells and whistles, this is an excellent pick. Just keep in mind that it may not have all the smart features you'd find in higher-end models. This is perfect for you if you want a smart thermostat that's easy to install and manage. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end model with all the latest tech. At under $100, you're getting solid functionality for your investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for energy savings. Product number 3, ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Coming in at $169.99 is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. This one really caught my attention with its built-in radar occupancy sensor. If you want a thermostat that learns and adapts to your routine, this is worth a serious look. What sets this model apart is its ability to save up to 26% on heating and cooling costs. Plus, it can preheat or pre-cool your home before you arrive, so it's always perfect when you walk in. This model is compatible with 90% of systems, which is a huge advantage for most homeowners. With 3,000 of these flying off the shelves last month, it's clearly making an impact. Now, some users have complained about the initial setup process being a bit tedious. But here's the thing, once it's set up, the benefits far outweigh that initial hassle. This thermostat is designed to work smarter, not harder for you. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want a thermostat that really learns from your habits. Skip this one if you need something that's more plug-and-play. For the price, it's an excellent investment in your comfort and savings. Now, if the installation process of the ecobee Enhanced sounds like too much, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 4, ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Fourth on our list is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, priced at $254.99. What really impressed me was its built-in air quality monitor. If you want to ensure your home is not just comfortable but also healthy, this is worth a serious look. This model can save you up to 26% on energy costs just like its sibling, but adds features like an air quality monitor that alerts you when air quality is poor. This is super important if you have allergies or respiratory issues, as it helps you maintain a healthy home environment. The smart sensor included prompts the system to make adjustments, ensuring your comfort is always prioritized. It's compatible with 95% of HVAC systems, which makes it a safe bet for most homes. With 3,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a favorite. However, this one does come at a higher price point. Some might feel like they're paying extra for features they don't need. But here's the thing, for those who value air quality and advanced control, the investment is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a thermostat that prioritizes both comfort and health. Skip this one if you don't need the air quality features or if you're on a tight budget. It's a premium product that offers great value for what you get. Finally, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, let's check out our last option. Product number 5, Honeywell Home RTH 9585 WF1004. Last but not least is the Honeywell Home RTH 9585 WF1004 Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat, available for $119.99. What caught my eye was its customizable color touchscreen. If you want a thermostat that fits your style while saving energy, this is worth a serious look. The flexible programming options mean it can adapt to your schedule and even participate in demand response programs that reward you for helping manage energy during peak times. This is a feature that can really help you save money. With over 2,000 sold last month, it's a solid choice for many. Some users have found it less intuitive to navigate compared to other models. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the customizable features really allow you to tailor it to your needs, making it worth your while. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish thermostat that also offers functional energy savings. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-frills model. At this price, you're getting a good mix of style and functionality. To quickly recap, we covered the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, the Sensi Smart Thermostat ST55, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, and the Honeywell Home RTH 9585 WF1004. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced because it learns your habits and saves you money simultaneously. The one to avoid would be the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium if you're not interested in air quality features, as its higher price might not be justified for you. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.